Good morning, students. Today we are continue our chapter number 1, democracy and equality. So students, before the continuing this chapter, let's recall first what we learned in our previous videos. So student, in our previous videos we study a case, okay, and this case study is based on two different type of person, you can see, or two different type of locality, and what problem that locality face, what type of people lived that the locality. And we also studied about equality in a democracy like universal adult franchise. We study other form of inequality. In this section we studied about the caste system, okay. We also again study we again take example as a case study, and with help of this case study we better understand this inequality. Next we study about enhancing human dignity, okay. And in this section we learn about what provisions in our Indian constitution, okay. Then we study government initiative, okay. Next, in today video we will discuss about inequality in other democracies, okay. So let's start. So the concept of equality is not as simple as it's appear. In all democratic nations of the world, despite the concept of equality, there remains some amount of inequality. The United States of America and the European nations have their own share of inequalities. For example, in USA, people from the southern state of Texas and Georgia were treated as lacking in social ways and culture. In Britain too, the people from the aristocracy looked down upon other wealthy people. So student, this concept of equality is not simple as it's appear, okay. It is very difficult to for any country to treat uh, to treat their citizens equally. And basically student, it is not different difficult for country, it is difficult for people who lived in that country, okay. It is not easy for that people who lived that country that they treat every person equally, okay. So in all democratic nations of the world, despite the concept of equality, there remains some amount of inequality, no matter that nations is belong from which continent, okay. From no matter that nation is belong from Asia or Africa or Europe, okay. Each and every country, each and every nation have some amount of inequality, okay. So here one example is given: the United States of America and European nations. So you all know that United Nation of America is very powerful country right now, but in USA, okay, in USA, people from the southern state of Texas and Georgia, okay. In USA, people who belongs to south america south america's Texas and Georgia, they were treated as lacking in social ways and culture, okay. In britain also in Britain also, people people from the aristocracy, okay. The aristocracy people look down upon other wealthy people, okay. According to that aristocracy people, that this wealthy people, other wealthy people are not good enough, okay. Next, in USA, okay, in USA, the African American people of African origin had been subjected to unequal and unjust treatment. And student in America, in USA, that people who belongs to African American origin, basically this type of people belongs to African origin, okay, and they had been subject to unequal and unjust treatment because of their appearance. Their ancestor had been brought in as slave to America. uh, Student that of African American people, okay, African American peoples, their ancestors, they are belongs to Africa, and they brought America for slave, okay. Even after the abolition of slavery in America, these people were discriminated against, okay. But in present time, the slavery system is abolished in America, but these people are the condition of these people are not good enough today, okay. The American treat them unequally, okay. Rosa Parks, an African American woman, okay, on 1st December 1955, become instrument instrumental in starting an agitation against the discriminatory practices. Again, one fateful day, while she was returning after a long and tiring day's work, she refused to give her seat to a white man. Okay, okay. So here, Rosa Parks. Okay, Rosa Parks. She was a African American woman, and on 1st December 1955, she rose her voice against this discrimination in America. So one day, when she was returned after a long and tiring day work. Okay, so she refused to give her seat to a white man, okay, and people of African origin were supposed to give seat to the white people in the bus. And what is the mentality of people, the mentality of people of America that time? So white people of America, they suppose that if any they suppose that African origins people give them their seat. But when Rosa Parks refused refused this, so her refusal started a huge agitation against the fair skinned. This come to be known as the civil rights movement. When she refused to give her seat to a white man, so her refuse start a huge agitation against the fair skinned people, okay. And this came to be known as civil right movement, which is started by african African American people, okay. The government enforced the Civil Rights Act of 1964 that prohibited discrimination on the grounds of race, religion, color, or creed. So, after this, the American government enforced the Civil Rights Act in of 1964, and because of this act in America, discrimination on the ground of race, religion, color, or creed are was prohibited by government. Okay, so next, civil rights movement was a movement that began in USA in the 1950s, in which African American people demand and fight for equal right and an end to social discrimination. So what is civil rights movement? So it was a movement that began in USA in the 1915, and in this movement people of African American, they demand and fight for equal right, and at the end of and an end to social discrimination which they faced that time. So now we can study about challenge to democracy. So student, all religions, the constitution of all state, and the policy of almost all political party embrace the concept of equality, in spite of which inequality has not been removed. So student, all religions, the and all the constitution of states, the policy, the state policy, the policy of almost all political party, they are want to change this inequality system. And the concept of all political party is based on equality, but this is not yet removed. Inequality is not yet removed properly. This should not be taken to mean that differences exist permanently in human society. It only means that the struggle to achieve equality is indeed very long, and it is not as easy as it appears to be. So student, they are the all political party, the all constitution of states are emphasis on equality. They all are against the inequality, but after that inequality is also present in our social, in our environment, in our country and other country also, in other country also. And there are people and community who always strive to achieve equality in whatever way possible, but there are people and community, they always strive to achieve the equality in whatever way possible. In the next few chapters we shall try to look at how the issue of equality affect our everyday life, and what can be done to uphold human dignity. So student, in our next chapter we will study about what is the how to unequal what is the inequality, how big this topic is, and how to it affect our everyday life. Okay, so student, I hope you all understand this chapter. So before closing, let's recap this chapter. In a democracy country like India, equality is an underlying principle. Okay, the concept of universal adult franchise reinforce the concept of equality, but there are inequalities on the basis of class, caste, and religion. The Constitution of India has also made provisions to enforce equality. Government initiative like midday meal, equal opportunity to private schools are effort to bring about equality, and inequality exists in all society in some form or the other, and the fight against it continues. Okay, so students, I hope you all understand this chapter, and in our next video we will discuss about exercise of this chapter. So I hope, but if you have any doubt, any query, so you can feel to ask. So this is enough for today. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.